day I'ma blow up. Yeah.
How to open a Binance Futures account. First, log in to your Binance.com account. After that, select Derivatives, then USDT Futures. After that, look at the right corner. You can fill in my referral code to save 10% fee rebate. You can copy my code in description. Then select Open Now. You have successfully opened a Binance Future account. How to transfer funds to the Futures Coin Margined wallet. First, click on CoinM Futures in the top bar. Then, click the nearby transfer icon wallet balance. It's up to you how much you want to transfer, then click Confirm Transfer. About Quarterly Futures Contract. What are Quarterly Futures Contracts? A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price at a future date. This date is called the expiry. Binance Quarterly Futures are settled in cash. What does this mean? Cash settlement simply means that the underlying asset is delivered in the form of currency. In the case of Binance Quarterly Futures, this asset is BTC. The quarterly futures contracts on Binance expire on the last Friday of each quarter. For example, the BTC USD 0925 contract will expire on the last Friday of the 25th of September 2020 at 8 o'clock UTC. A flat 0.015% of delivery fee will be charged for all positions settled on the delivery date. How do quarterly futures contracts work? The margin used for Binance Quarterly Futures is BTC, the contracts are settled in BTC, and the trading fees are also paid in BTC. Just as other Binance products, the quarterly futures contracts follow a multi-tier fee system. However, there's an added benefit. Some tiers also offer negative fees, or fee rebates, for makers. This means that traders who provide liquidity to the market essentially get paid for it. Size unit. Binance Futures uses contract as a standardized size unit when describing a quarterly futures contract position size. Contract multiplier. Binance Quarterly Future use contract multiplier to represent the value of a contract. Each contract represents 100 USD. For example, John buy 5,000 USD of BTC USD Quarterly 0925 long position, 100 USD x 50 contracts. And the total order value is 5,000 USD. If price of BTC is $8,000, a total order value is 0.625 BTC. This value is called national value. About unrealized and realized P&L. Unrealized P&L is calculated via fair mark price and average open position price. For example, John opens 100 contracts of BTC USD Quarterly 0925 short position, average price 10,000 USD. When the mark price falls to 9,000 USD, the unrealized P&L would be 0.1111 BTC. Conversely, realized P&L is calculated via close position price and average open position price. For example, when John opens 100 contracts of BTC USD Quarterly 0925 long position, average price 10,000 USD. When John successfully closed long position at 12,000 USD, the realized P&L would be 0.1667 BTC. How to trade on Binance Quarterly Futures. Now I want go to buy long and hope the price will be to 11,600 USD.
Yeah. I'ma blow up. Yeah.